We are back with some more deals at the depot. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Yes, I was out. I was out because I had surgery, and now we're back. We're doing a little bit better, but we're here and we're able to make these videos for you guys. Yes, new grill or griddle. This is a local cookers. Something different that I had never seen before, especially on this color. So yeah, it just catch my attention. It's really nice. It does have the temperature on the gauges. Remember, guys, if you guys do see a broken box like this, you guys could take it to customer service, get something off of this. Same thing with this box. So somebody's getting some discount. Unless nobody knows about it, then nobody's gonna get it. Basically, got the Toro 3-pack spool. It's down to $13 from $24. They might be able to, or they might be clearancing these items out. 154 down from 219. This is 600 CFM cordless blower from Toro. I believe it's just a tool only. So if you and my Google's going off. All right, so we got the grill cover. It's down to $40. Then this is the clearance section, by the way. 154 down from 219. That's the Toro. I don't know if this one's the one with the battery or not. Looks just like the same as the other one. Alright, so you got the, what is that? The compound miter saw for $280 down from $399. It is a 10-inch. And you got a 2-tier hardware bend for $12.98. And then you got a shoulder relief strap there, $29. You got a 15 gauge angle finish nailer, $189. That was $199. That's what it does come with a nice case. It is pneumatic, so you do have to run a compressor on that one. You got a 4-tool combo kit, 2 drills, or impact driver drill, $387 for 4 tools. It's an okay deal, but these might be cheaper if you guys do scan it on the, with an associate. They do have those special scanners. And then we got the drill here for $119. This is not bad, especially for $119. I believe on the holiday deals they were $99. So I don't know if they're lower now, but $135 for the subcompact rigid. And then we got this was a much better deal. You got the drill and the impact driver for $179. So definitely a better deal than the just $119 by itself. Got $34 down from $44. Sportsman trunk. Nice ways to organize your trunk. I don't know if it comes with the lid or not. It looks like it does. So I didn't see a lid on this one. Might be inside. $169 with the combo kit. This is not a bad deal. Drill and the oscillating tool. And then you buy any of the tools on the top, you get a free 4 amp hour. Or you buy two combinations of 2 different tools or 2 kits. You get 2 6 amp hours batteries, which is the best deal. Obviously, they're very powerful. They hold a lot more. So definitely check it out. That's one of the most powerful batteries that they got. You got this is the reciprocating saw, $199. You got the nail gun. This is the brand nailer, 18 gauge, $299. Got the router, and that is the 2 6 amp hour pack you're gonna get for free once you buy those 2 tools or the 2 sets. And some of the sets there at the bottom for $329 with the brand new 850. And then you got this is the grease gun for $168. $199 for the subcompact 3 combo kit. So in some of the stores, I believe online it's $149. So you might want to double check that online. I know Deal Team 6 been posting a lot of those deals. Buy one, get one free. So you buy any of the tools on the top or the kits on the top, you get a free tool at the bottom. Obviously the angle grind is pretty good. It's not the X-Lock, it's just a regular one. Magnetic torpedo for $10.97. You know what, guys? This is not my favorite I don't know, it's just hard to see. It's hard to see on this one. Let me know what you guys think about it, but I mean, yeah, I guess you can see if you really look into it, but yeah, it's just harder to see. I do prefer the yellow one or the green one that they, Milwaukee has one, and I do prefer that one. You got some Milwaukee stuff here. So we got some shirts, some hats. You got some nice materials here. The shirts, they're okay, but they do say Milwaukee. So if you're a fan of the brand, that is the shirt for you. Most of these were large only, so. And they do have the hats. I gotta say, the hats are really nice materials. Really nice soft materials. This one's a little bit more rugged. It is the flex fit, so it does will stretch. You get the buy one get one free. So you buy that vacuum for $1.99, you get an accessory for free. Or that accessory there with the pivoting, it's down to 19 bucks. So that's it right there. Pretty interesting, nice accessory. Got the drywall cutout tool, down to 117 from 129. It's rigid. You got the adhesive or caulk gun for 126 down from 139. And then you got this. I was just looking at the size of this thing. This thing is very compact. Really like the design on that one, on that rotary hammer. And then they got this high torque impact wrench. It looks like a beast. $3.59. That's just items that I don't see every day at the depots. And then this oscillating tool caught my attention. This thing's huge. I don't know. I think I would definitely prefer the DeWalt's, the Milwaukee ones. And then this thing catch my attention too. It's a drywall saw. So $2.29. Very odd. Kind of like a jigsaw and mixture, something like that. You got the safety helmets from Milwaukee. If you need it in yellow, bright yellow or green. High visibility, and then if you need more protection for $118. Lots of good stuff. Alright, you got the rapid charger. This is dual bay. $129. It's not bad. It's not bad. I believe it was on a deal. But got the brand new rapid charger. This is a 6-bay rapid charger. It says it does come with 6 5 amp hour batteries. I don't think it has 5 amp hour batteries, but it might be able to just charge, tell you the time that it does charge. I don't know. 34, 44, down from 44. And then this is down to 280. This is a track saw. That's it right there. So, and then they still got these deals. These are pretty good deals if you're looking for these batteries. Definitely hack these batteries. 8 amp hour, that 5 amp hour high output, 12 volt battery. Those are really nice batteries, so definitely check them out. Even those tools are great. So definitely check that out. Great deals on those. And then you got $219 for the guys. There's more Milwaukee and Makita deals coming up later this month, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Usually at the end of the month is when we start getting those glitches, those hacks. Make sure you guys stay tuned, stay subscribed for those. You got a nail gun here for $79. Compressor for $129. And they got this. If you guys are basically low on a budget, you need something to hold your tools and your stuff. So this is 99 bucks, not bad. However, if you can, wait for the holidays. If you guys doing painting or remodeling, guys, I do recommend this frog tape. This thing's a beast. This thing will seal up your walls, make your lines really, really sharp and clean, basically. So I do prefer to spend a little extra instead of that blue tape. And the season's here, so there's gonna be fans all over the place, especially in here in Arizona. It gets really, really hot. This one, it is a hybrid. Does come with the power supply and the battery section there. Then they got the smaller one that everybody wanted a few years back, down to 20, or it is $24.98. And then they got the ductless. Definitely recommend one of these for you guys if you guys are looking for expanding the garage or for the shop. These are great. Not exactly this brand, but I'm just telling you this type of ductless, uh, like a split system. This you got the 1 ton and the 1.5 ton there, and that is the unit that goes inside. So definitely recommend these AC units, especially here for Arizona. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.